This scrumptious creamy lime layer cake is the result of a simple craving. A dessert that feels indulgent but comes together with ingredients most of us already have in the kitchen. First things first, let's prepare the flax egg since we're making an eggless version today. Take 1.5 tablespoons of flax meal and add 4.5 tablespoons of water. Give it a quick stir and let it rest undisturbed for about 15 minutes. Today we need 1.5 flax eggs. If you're using regular eggs instead, you can substitute 1 large egg or 2 small eggs. Next, let's crush some cardamom. Lime and cardamom go beautifully together. Now for the dry ingredients. Into a bowl, add half a cup of all-purpose flour, maida, and half a cup of whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour does make the cake slightly less fluffy, but it adds a lovely nutty flavor and we quite enjoy that. If you prefer, you can simply use 1 cup of all-purpose flour instead. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt and the ground cardamom. Mix everything well so the ingredients are evenly combined. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. We need the zest of about 1.5 to 2 limes and some finely chopped thyme leaves. Fresh thyme works best, but dried thyme will also do. If you don't have it, you can skip it entirely. Add the lime zest and chopped thyme to 3/4 cups of sugar and rub it gently with your fingers. This helps release the oils from the zest and thyme, and you'll immediately notice a beautiful citrus aroma. By now, the flax egg should be ready. Give it a mix until it becomes slightly thick and gel-like. In another bowl, add half a cup of neutral tasting oil. I'm using peanut oil. And half a cup of hung curd. To this, add the sugar mixture and of course the most important ingredient, about 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Whisk everything together until well combined. Once the mixture begins to come together, add the flax egg mixture little by little, whisking as you go. For flavor, I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of brandy. It brings a gentle warmth that pairs beautifully with the fresh, singy lime. If you prefer, you can use a few drops of vanilla essence instead. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Let's also grease the baking pan. A 7-inch or a 9-inch loaf pan or any pan of similar capacity will work just fine. Now gently fold the wet mixture into the dry ingredients until everything is just combined. Pour the batter into the greased pan and smooth the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean. Now for the frosting. Take a packet of any store-bought paneer and grind it in a mixer. Add small amounts of curd as needed to help it blend smoothly. Goal is a soft, creamy texture. Transfer this mixture to a bowl and add half a cup of room temperature butter. Whisk it together for about a minute until it begins to look light and smooth. Now add half a cup of powdered sugar and a little lime juice. Whisk again and repeat. You can continue adding powdered sugar gradually until the frosting reaches a sweetness and consistency you like. The sugar is what helps the frosting thicken and hold together. I stopped at about 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Once done, let the frosting chill in the refrigerator for a while so it firms up slightly and becomes easier to spread. By now, the cake should be completely cooled. Slice the cake horizontally into 2 layers. Spread a generous layer of frosting on the bottom half. I'm also adding some chopped almonds for a little crunch. Place the second layer on top and then spread the frosting all around the cake, smoothing it over gently. Finish with a few more chopped almonds on top. And that's it. Let the cake chill for about 5 hours so the frosting sets beautifully and the flavors settle in. And that's our lime layer cake. Soft, fragrant, with a gentle zing from the limes. If you enjoyed this recipe, do subscribe for more. Until the next recipe, take care and ta-ta!